Let's talk about the steps to be followed. First, you have to learn front-end. Dig deeper in the languages and concepts. Get familiar with the framework. And at last you have to learn back-end. Come on. Let's go. Coming to front-end. Every web developer must have a basic understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Responsive web design is used in all types of modern web development. JavaScript 5 is supported in all modern browsers. Take a good look at it, especially the new array functions. When you feel comfortable with HTML and CSS, it is time to dig deeper. You should learn how to use maps, fonts and icons in HTML. On the JavaScript side, you should learn how to access the HTML DOM. You should also learn how to use Ajax and JSON for making server requests. Now it is time to look at some frameworks. On the CSS side, you should choose a framework for responsive web design. Bootstrap, Material Design, W3.CSS. On the JavaScript side, you should learn at least one modern framework. React.js, Angular.js, Vue.js, W3.js. Maybe the popularity of jQuery has passed the top, but it is still the most used JavaScript framework. After learning all the stuff, now are you ready to fly to the next level by learning these backend technologies? Node.js, MongoDB, NPM, SQL are the most used backend technologies in current scenario. Check out for the resources in description.